If you're a professional musician, especially if you're a drummer, you've had that gig. The one where you nail the pocket, your bandleader gives you the nod, and you walk away with a fraction of what everyone else in the room is making. You feel it, you're at the bottom of the food chain. You're giving high value, but receiving low leverage. Last time, we talked about the one mistake that keeps you there, renting your audience from platforms that don't care about your rent. You built the castle, but Facebook, TikTok, and Spotify own the keys. We need to flip that script. Think about the reality. You rely on an algorithm to deliver a concert announcement to your own fans. A streaming giant pays you less than a penny for a lifetime of work. The moment the platform decides to feature bass players or change their content rules, your connection to your income stream is severed. This is the difference between having followers and having clients. A musician with 10,000 owned email addresses has 10 times the leverage and 10 times the career stability as one with 1 million temporary followers. The solution is the audience ownership trinity. This is the framework for every musician who wants to move beyond the kit and become an actual business owner. It's 3 specific places you must control to stabilize your income and career. Pillar 1 is the gateway. This is your fan filter. It's a simple, one-page website, but its only job is to convert a temporary follower into a permanent fan contact. Your primary currency is no longer streams, it's email addresses. To make this work, you have to trade a high-value asset, what we call a lead magnet. For drummers, this could be a drum tuning guide that actually works, a custom loop pack of your tightest grooves, or a printable sheet of the 5 fills every bandleader needs. When you give away something this valuable for free, fans are begging to give you their email. Stop asking them to follow, ask them to upgrade. Pillar 2 is the inner circle. This is your low-friction, high-intimacy zone. We're talking a private Discord, a dedicated text club, or a closed WhatsApp channel. Why here? Because it cuts through the noise. This isn't where you post polished content. This is where you show vulnerability, test new ideas, and treat them like your personal advisory board. If you're considering a new merch design, you ask the inner circle first. If you're testing a new drum trigger setup, you show the inner circle the messy process. They feel invested. They feel seen. And when they feel seen, they become your most powerful advocates and your most reliable source of income. This is where you transform followers into superfans who will gladly pay a premium. Finally, Pillar 3 is the data checkpoint. You need a simple spreadsheet or a CRM. You need to know, who are my top 100 fans? Who has bought 3 pieces of merch? Who is always responding to my emails? Knowing your audience means tracking their lifetime value. When you know which fans are worth $1,000 and which are worth $1, you can focus your time and marketing energy where it matters most, moving monetization from a gamble to a guaranteed science. The audience ownership trinity is how you build a business that is more than a drummer. If this vision resonates with you, hit subscribe right now. Next time, we are diving deep into the lead magnet. I'll give you 5 exact, high-value ideas you can create this week that will make fans practically jump to join your gateway. Don't miss it!